Hello, third graders. Your math kits just arrived. Let's see what's inside. You have a set of counters for making arrays. Blank dice with labels. These are great for playing circles and stars and lots of other games. You'll get to put the numbers on the dice yourself using the labels. Place value blocks for adding and subtracting ones, tens, and hundreds. Here are some tips for using your kit. Keep it in a safe place away from younger children and pets. Use one tool at a time. Use the tools when you do math. Later on, you'll use the play money and the fraction tiles, so make sure you keep them safe for when we do need to use them.